Good evening, everyone, and welcome. I'm Wendy Sternberg. I'm the founder and executive director of Genesis at the Crossroads, and thank you all for coming out tonight. So this was a program that was put together under the auspices of Genesis at the Crossroads. It's a 22-year-old organization, and we started this with a theme of healing. And all of the people that are here from all over the world, they came in over the last few days. They've been rehearsing for almost 2 years together. So this is a program to raise money, putting peace hubs in multiple parts of the world. And the idea of this is that if we don't learn how to come together, we can't fix anything.
Tiempo de sanar, tiempo de sanar. Ponte a escuchar a tu hermano, porque al final, tiempo de sanar, tiempo de sanar.
I mean, we take certain pride, I guess, in our ethnicity or nationality, but music belongs to everyone. It belongs to everyone, and that is especially a welcome message in a time where there's so much divisiveness, you know.
Come on, baby, don't you wanna go?
So this is a program all about healing and looking at how do we put this into the world. Ergo, the Adler Planetarium, how do we put healing into the universe? So without further ado, I'd like to welcome you to Sounds of Healing.
1, 2, 3, go. Here is for Rio down over Rio. Children playing, laughing, but there's no peace on this dirty street.
I can heal, I have faith. One mission for millions of hearts.
Scared and tired, we walk towards the burning porch, light of the house of healing.
You could feel alone. You might think I'm done. Think about the future that is coming for us.
Una cosa te diré, y es que nunca dejaré de lucharte o valorarte a pesar de lo que crees. Tenemos tiempo. Have hope, mother. You will win this fight.
Working with each other, and I almost started crying because the energy was really, really powerful.
Let the house say, oh yeah! Thank you, we love you.
Thank you. Big round of applause.
O barco daqui de dentro navega bem ligeiro, quando atravessa meu mar, enfrenta tempestades, mas me navega